In this tutorial, we are going to explore a unique aspect of SimLab Composer, which is automation. Automation allows you to perform an operation multiple times without the need to engage each operation separately. It's an advanced approach that will save you time and guarantee you accurate results each time. This is a billboard design with 4 textures on it. Each texture has a unique name. We are going to replace those 4 textures with different files and create a PDF document for each set of the files. As for how the replacement procedure would go, the files carrying the same name would replace each other. So in this example, the file named 1.jpg in the city folder will replace the file named 1.jpg in the Composer scene, and same goes for all the remaining files. To automate the PDF production process, we will use a Python script, which you can download from SimLab's website. You also need to have the Python interpreter installed on your system. It can be installed from python.org. Before we start using the script to produce the PDF files, let us set up the scene and prepare it for exporting. Go to the Scene States tab and disable all the attributes to be captured except for the camera. Adjust the value of the camera and click Capture from Scene. Click on the newly created scene state and name it Front. Move the camera to a perspective view and capture the scene state. Name it Perspective. Do the same for the top view scene state. Now that the scene states are ready, click on Sharing and then on PDF Settings. Make sure that you set the settings you need to be used for the PDF files you are going to generate. An extensive tutorial about PDF settings and exporting can be found on SimLab's YouTube channel. Go to the Template tab and click on New. Change it to Landscape and set the resolution to 1300 by 685, which is suitable for the image to be used for the background. Change the fill mode for the background to image and select an image. Click on the 3D area icon to place a 3D area in your PDF file. Use the red draggers to adjust the size and shape of the 3D area. Let us create buttons to view the scene states created earlier in SimLab Composer. Click on Add Text. Name it Perspective. I will add an image that resembles a sketchy button. Right-click on it and select Send to Back so that it will not be covering the text we added. Select the button image and press Ctrl and C to copy it, and then Ctrl and V to paste. Do it one more time. Same for the text. Select the text Perspective and press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy it, and then Ctrl and V to paste it. Double-click the new text to edit it and name it Front. Name the third one Top. Click on the first button created, and in the Properties panel, change the type to Scene State. Set the calling method to By Name and type Perspective, which is the name of the scene state we created in SimLab Composer. Click on the button under Front and also change the type to Scene State and type in Front. Do the same for the third button. Now that we have 3 buttons connected to the 3 scene states that we created, we are ready to save the template. Click Refresh. Select the template you just created and click on Save Current Settings as Default. The scene is ready. We can proceed to using the automation script. I created a folder and named it Texture Replacer and put the Python script inside it. Go to SimLab Composer and pack the scene to include all the data related to it. This is a very important step. Now that we packed the scene, we will open the Windows command prompt to run the script. Type the path where you installed the Python to run Python, followed by the location of where you placed the script, and press Enter on your keyboard. As you can see, the script created 3 directories in the same path. What we need to do is place the packed scene in the model folder that has been created. In the Input folder, we are going to place the sets of images from which we will create the 3D PDF files. The Output folder is where the 3D PDF files will be generated. Go back to the command prompt and type the same command to run the script, or press the Up key on your keyboard to repeat the same command and then press Enter. The script is informing us that it detected 3 input folders and has created a PDF file for each set of images, resulting in creating 3 PDF files. It's a simple Python script, which you can edit to change the format of your output. You can set it to convert file types from FBX to an OBJ file, for example. The use of automation and scripts combined with SimLab Composer's capabilities opens the door to a whole new level of creativity in terms of production and customization.